how to track your Grubhub order in real time. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step on that, so let's just get started. First of all, you may just head over and launch the Grubhub application. And once you launch it up, you should be logged in. And if you would like to view your order once you've placed your order, like the order time, you may follow up the steps. So once you open up the app, you may go ahead and look out for the order section. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you head over to order section, once you've already checked out and everything, here it will show you your order right here in the section. So if you would like to see what is happening with your order, like when is it arriving or everything, here it will show you the order. You just need to go ahead and tap on the order. And once you tap on the order, it will show you the driver's location and your order with the driver's phone number and everything. So you can zoom out, zoom in within the map and see what is the status of the driver that is happening right now. And once the order is like available for you, it will give you the particular kind of notification on your screen where it will say arrive. So you can just head over and look out for the arrive section or different kind of notifications available. And that way you will be getting the information that the order has been placed. Like you already have been getting your order right behind your doors or something like that. You may just go and look out for those kind of things, and that way you can look out for your order on Grubhub very easily. So this is how you look out for your Grubhub real-time order. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.